The Graduate Teaching Fellow Federation is currently negotiating with the university administration over new requests for their contract. Haley Kellogg has the story.
On February 14th, graduate teaching fellows gathered here at Johnson Hall to raise awareness for the Federation's current bargaining proposal with the university administration. The contract is set to expire on March 31st, and the university's GTFs have been trying to outline more components to the new agreement since the first session last November. Proposals include increased wages, an expanded health care plan that includes major dental care, and paid parental leave.
In the fall, we began pulling and getting information from GTFs about what are people interested in us bargaining for, what needs to change, what can we do to make the lives of GTFs better.
Most of the graduate students have their own health insurance, but it will not cover all the expenses. The rally that occurred outside Johnson Hall was a way for the GTFs to simply communicate their concern about the lack of health coverage to the university's president and the administration.
We know what the university has, we know the modesty of what we're asking for, so a lot of research goes into that side of it.
GTFs are also alarmed with the university's suggestion to replace the health plan with a similar one. They will continue negotiations to prevent this from happening. For Duck TV News, I'm Haley Kellogg.
The GTF Federation and university administration plan to meet next Friday to outline more compromises to the contract.